How to play Microsoft Edge Surf game like a pro. Microsoft Edge Surf is a fun and addictive game that you can play on your browser. It is inspired by the classic ski-free game, but with a surfing theme and various modes and features. Here are some pro tips for playing Microsoft Edge Surf game. Use the F key or the right trigger on your controller to activate the speed boost. This will help you avoid obstacles, escape the kraken, and reach the finish line faster. You can collect more speed boosts by picking up the green lightning bolts along the way. Try different characters and see which one suits your style. Each character has a different surfing speed and agility, and some of them have special abilities. For example, the dog can dig under the sand, the octopus can ink the screen, and the shark can eat other surfers. Explore the different game modes and challenge yourself. In Let's Surf mode, you can surf endlessly and see how far you can go. In Time Trial mode, you can race against the clock and try to beat your best time. In Zigzag mode, you can surf through as many gates as you can in a row. Customize the game settings to suit your preferences. You can turn on high visibility mode to make the obstacles easier to see, or reduce speed mode to slow down the game. You can also change the controls, sound, and language from the settings menu. Have fun and discover the secrets of the game. There are many Easter eggs and hidden features that you can find, such as cheat codes, different backgrounds, and references to other Microsoft products. Now try out 1. Microsoft Edge Surf. https://